Public notice. All Pakistan Nambardar Association registered. APNA. We have been consistently bringing to your attention for the past year through various channels and communications that the unauthorized use of our name, logo, and letterhead is not only illegal and unconstitutional, but also a direct violation of copyright and trademark laws. These laws are in place to protect the integrity and identity of our brand. Despite our repeated warnings and efforts to address this issue, the infringing activities have continued unabated, causing significant harm to our reputation and legal standing. We urge all parties involved to cease these activities immediately and respect our intellectual property rights. We hereby serve a 14-day legal notice to cease and desist from such activities. Failure to comply with the stipulated regulations and legal requirements will result in severe legal action. This includes the imposition of significant financial damages and, in more serious cases, removal from office. Under the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, such breaches are considered a grave violation of trust and an act of dishonesty. The legal system takes these offenses very seriously, ensuring that those who fail to uphold their duties are held accountable. This serves as a stern reminder of the importance of integrity and adherence to the law. Specifically, Mr. Yaqub has committed perjury, and you have supported him. We will file a case against him and publish notices in various media outlets, including newspapers and TV channels. This will be done within 24 hours of the notice period. Additionally, we will ensure that your photo is prominently displayed in all these publications. Our legal team is prepared to take swift action to make sure the public is fully informed. This is your final warning to comply with our demands before we proceed with these measures. Sincerely, Administration, All Pakistan Nambardar Association registered.